What's up guys, welcome my pre, it's your girl with another video. Okay, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Ooh. Let me close on my, oh my gosh, you guys are not even paying to see that. Excuse you. Let me reintroduce myself to my new subscribers because I have at least, I'm talking about a minimum of over 500 of you guys. I did that. And I know what video y'all are coming from. Y'all are coming from that short where I was doing my hair, and I know people come from the apartment tour videos, but I know that it's that video, the short that I was doing my hair. Hello, look, don't come over here thinking that I'm gonna be doing my hair every day, every week. I'm not doing it. But you know, I'll give y'all information where information is due about the hair if that's what y'all are here for. I want to say thank you guys and welcome. It's the day after Valentine, so if y'all didn't have a date, well, me either, but I do have plans to go out on a late date with my friend today. We're going to dinner. I'm Teash. My channel is Everything Teash. You got that when you decided to follow me, okay? I have no niche. However, some videos do better than others. Listen, I post whatever I want. I am a lifestyle creator. The wind blow this way, I'm posting about the wind that way. The wind blow up there, I'm posting about the wind up there. I don't have a niche. Don't put me in a box. I'm too diverse. But let's get into that. So my personality is bold. Again, I am diverse, so I don't want to be tied down to one niche, or I feel like I'm going to be robbing myself, and I don't want my channel to get boring. Okay, I have a lot of hobbies. I love to travel. I love to cook. I love the gym. I just love to do a lot of things. I talk about my hair journey here. I love fitness, healthy living, a whole lot of. All right, so a little background on me. I was born and raised in Jamaica, Montego Bay, big up yourself. Left Jamaica, came to America, been in Virginia, left Virginia. Now I'm in Texas. Oh, I started my YouTube channel when I was in college, so maybe about 7 years ago. If I was consistent, I would have more followers. I'm not going to lie to you guys. I would like to be a little bit more consistent now, but I just post and go. You see that? You see that? I started out doing hair, but then I surely was not going to be taking my hair out every week just to post a video. I was not doing that. Then I started traveling, so then I started doing travel vlogs. I wish whenever I went to Morocco, I was recording at that time, but I don't think I was. I think I started recording when I came back from Morocco, and that was in college. So again, I've been doing this for some years now. I'm a solo traveler. It's nice to go solo traveling, I'm not gonna lie. I enjoyed the experience when I was in Morocco. I know my friend wanted to go with me. She ended up going to Peru to do something else because it was study abroad. But I feel like if I went with my friend, I probably wouldn't have been, I probably wouldn't have been as close as I am to some of the people that I met in Morocco. Because you know, when you're with your friends, you're in a comfortable position to be like, oh, my friend is here, we'll go do things together. But if you decide to go by yourself, then you're opening the door for you to meet new people. A lot of people that are always scared to travel by themselves or have never left the United States. I mean, right now it's different. So I'm not gonna lie to you, you can't catch me on a plane right now. Tell you a joke, but I never tell you a lie. You're not catching me on a plane right now. You'll see that I review products, food, whatever I'm doing for the first time. I enjoy cooking. I also have some videos already if you guys want to go backtrack and look. I've posted videos of me cooking, me juicing. I love an organic juice. I want everything to be homegrown as much as they can be, you know, like my mama grew me from scratch. That's the way I like my drinks. Matter of fact, here goes my apple juice. Your apple juice is supposed to be this dark. That's pure green apples and I love it. I want to do a Q&A, I believe. So if you guys want to follow me on Instagram, or even put it in the comment section here and let me know what are some questions you guys have. Don't be invasive. I'll let you know if you are. I love organic food. I'm starting my indoor garden today. I just got a greenhouse, so I'm going to set it up today and put my lettuce and everything else that I've already potted, and some things I did buy. So I have some mixed lettuce. I love a salad. Okay, so everything that I eat on a regular, I have the seeds for it. I've already planted them, or I've already bought them. But Texas is too hot for you to be having an outdoor garden. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, I had a plant and I put it on my balcony at my last apartment. It was only out there for a couple hours. By the time I went back outside, it was burnt. I was looking through the leaves. I never put anything else back on that porch that wasn't furniture. I'm growing things that I eat on a regular, that I buy at the store. I can avoid it. If I can avoid buying at the store, why not? And you know that they like to put those, you know that thing that's always spraying in the store that you think is water? It's not water. It's a coating to keep the fruits and vegetables preserved a little bit longer. I don't want that. Just die. When it's done, when you've reached your limit, just die. I don't want any preservatives in my food. Now, I'm not saying I'm not gonna get a pizza here and there, okay? I can't stand people like that too. You tell them, yeah, I eat well, healthy, clean, usually, but then I'm gonna have that one time a month that I do wanna just eat something. Blood type A, we're supposed to be vegetarian, so we can eat on a Mediterranean diet. You get what I'm saying? So, and we can't even eat most of the seafood. Oh my gosh, no crab, no shrimp, no lobster, no anything. I'm gonna be posting those videos here on YouTube as well, but they're gonna be shorts because they're gonna be in the style of, oh, I'm recording with my phone, not like I'm recording with YouTube like right now. And speaking of that, I look good. Yeah, let me know in the comment section your blood type. Ask me questions about anything that you see in my video. Engage with me. You engage with me, you like a video, it's not going to hurt. It just helps me. It lets the algorithm know that these people are real and we want to share her videos. Like, don't try to keep me to yourself. There's enough of me to go around. This is a new series that I did decide to start on TikTok that I am transferring to my YouTube and Instagram because knowledge is everything. You might also see me on here doing my makeup. I always wanted to know how to do my makeup, and in college I sucked at it. I was like, oh, I'm never gonna do that. But now, you know, I do a little 1 2 1 2. I can put on some makeup and go somewhere now, okay? So you might see me do that. That might not be what you prefer on my channel, but if you don't want to watch that, you can just say, okay, I'll just wait for the next vlog. You don't have to unsubscribe. Ugh. I do a lot. You're gonna buck into something that you do like at some point. I also might be doing a little get ready with me and giving you a story. I used to also do that as well. So on my TikTok account, I do a lot of story times. I do a lot over there to where TikTok is not recognizing me as anything else other than a story timer. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? When I cook my nice, good, tight body food, TikTok is not showing it. TikTok is only pushing it to 100 people, 1,000 people. I have 122,000 people over there. Hello, get with it. Send it around to everyone. But they do think that I have a niche, and my niche is story time. So if you enjoy story times, you can follow me over there on TikTok. You can type in everything Teash or Duet Queen. You know what? I'm not even gonna change it, but I did start over there thinking I was gonna be duetting everyone's video. Talk about lazy. I don't even do that. You'll also see me do some product reviews such as this. The company don't know me. They don't. I'm just showing you guys stuff that I like. Hopefully the company see it one day and be like, hey, can I send you something? Yeah, for a piece of change. For a piece of change. Because really, I don't get paid from deals. I just post my videos and I go. That needs to change. The girlies are making a lot of money. Even people with less followers than me, they're making a lot of money on social media. So I said, you know what? I want to step into my bag. I'm trying to edit a little bit better because I usually don't do it. But if y'all been watching my recent videos, I've been stepping it up with my editing. And you can't tell me anything. You can't tell me anything other than yeah, yes, you have been. Every once in a while, you might also see me throw on a little wiggy wig and do a review. It's not because they asked me to do it. I'm just letting you guys know. Hey, I got this wig from so-and-so. If you like it, go get it. With that being said, I have an Amazon account. If you guys are still shopping at Amazon, listen, I'm running out of places to shop. There's only but 2 more stores left. If they go on that no shopping list, I don't know what I'm gonna do. But sometimes you just have to do what you gotta do. But anyways, I have an Amazon storefront where I have things listed that I've purchased, that my friends have, things that I want to purchase, so on and so forth. So things that I like. Speaking of that, I need to go update that. And when I get on TikTok, all of them be asking me, oh, where'd you get that from? Where'd you get that from? Storefront, babes. So like I mentioned before, I do have a TikTok account. If you guys are not following me over there, I have 122,000 followers. TikTok a little hater sometimes though, I'm not gonna lie to you. They shadow ban me all the time. Like, I don't even get notifications come to my phone, because if I see something I don't like, I comments back. And TikTok is like, you're supposed to be the bigger person. And I'm like, TikTok, look, I'm not very big. Like, hello. This is my page and I run what's going on this here page. So you're not gonna come over here and say certain things. Blocky, blocky, blocky. I love the block button now, because who you think you playing with in the comment section? This page has my name, not yours. I'm funny on TikTok. I don't try to be. I just get on there, I say what I want to say, and then I go. Over here, I try to give you guys content. You know what I'm saying? People don't have the attention span anymore to sit down and watch long videos such as this. So please watch it. Anytime the sun comes back out, the camera gets brighter behind me. I'm not changing it. So let's keep it moving. If you're gonna come over to my TikTok and be too serious, nah, don't come over there. Stay right here. Stay right here, because I key over there. My Instagram is Jennifer Data. You'll see it pop up right here. I'm trying to build that platform as well. That's a hard one to grow on. I feel like you need a niche over there on Instagram. They're a little bit too serious in me. But I am looking to grow that platform. So if you guys don't mind, give me a follow over there. Matter of fact, we've gotten this far in this video. Have you liked my video yet? Have you told me that I look beautiful today? Have you done anything, or are you just watching me? Come on, it's free. It costs nothing. Y'all heard me. Call to action. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend to come over to Everything Teash. Okay? If you're new, say hi. Hi. If you've been rocking with me for a while, come over and say, what's up, Wagwan, white pre. You don't gotta say all that. You can say, hey, girl. Hey. If you're just watching and you're not saying anything, you're not liking anything, what are you doing here? What are you doing here? No, I'm playing. You can stay. You might not know if you want to follow me yet or like a video or two. You can go watch the rest and see if I'm a vibe or not. If not, no hard feelings. Thank you for coming. Thank you for coming. Let's do a quick recap. Who am I? I am Everything Teash. My content consists of a lot of things. Review, lifetime, travel. You're not catching me on a plane right now though. Just had to say that. Cooking, the gym, every and anything that one can do. I'm also not like an aesthetic kind of girl, because I'm not going to give you any false dreams or hopes. I am real, right? I am real. I'm not one of those that's going to be buying bougie things just to show you guys. I don't even play those games. And I hope you guys don't find a lot of things that I do say in my videos offensive. I'm never trying to offend anyone. I'm a little silly. I'm a little goofy. If that's how you feel though, that's how you feel. I'm not going to agree to it though. You need to have tough skin when you come over here. Yeah, because I kikis, I have fun. My friends understand my personality. Someone came to my video one time and was like, oh my gosh, you're so mean. Your friend. So I called my friend. I said, you thought that was mean? She was like, what? Because hello, my friends are my friends for a reason. I love you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend to come over to Everything Teash.